Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si Jamal Makinay, and today we'll be reviewing the more handy, ARP 557. Ay, no, not 557, ARP 7. See, SMG 7. This one is created by Handy, which is a copy of the infamous ARP9 submachine gun. Looks really nice. Okay. This is primarily ABS and nylon construction, which is nice. This one is ABS. So it feels quite weird. Some parts are nylon. It's very easy to disassemble. Okay. And it has a short, still plastic barrel. Okay. Oops. It has a illuminated green EOTech sights. It has a very weird red trigger, some red parts, red. And I keep forgetting that some Handy models have a manual mode. For example, if you remove the battery, let's say battery died, you can still use this. Make sure that it's on manual. Where's the camera? Manual. Pull, then fire. And so it's perfect for kids. And this dies while it's charging. You still have a manual mode, so it's fun. Good for just sniping. Oops, another one. Did they use up all the gels? The small gels are perfect for this one. And there's a... yes, I use it a lot. There's a side folding for putting gels. The capacity, not so much. It's around here. And this is quite thin, so not so much. But again, it's an SMG, a 9mm SMG copy, so it was supposed to have not much bullets and gels in this, for this matter. Where's the battery? The battery is still the Handy standard. Again, 7.4. It's on the magazine. The magazine is in the grip. Okay. There's a magazine battery release here if you want to press and pull. I don't have gels anymore. You can put it in auto. There's no semi. Yep, I don't have any more gels. Since this is a friction type, mechanical type, you need to keep pressing that one for the gels to come out. But if you don't have enough gels, not enough gels to push it up, the babies will not, the gels will not load. Of course, this is very, very light since this is a Kid Blaster. Okay, very light. This is surprisingly metal, this one, but non-adjustable. So that's a disadvantage. But it's quite long enough for it to be used by an adult. See, fits. The grip here will be even nicer. And since this is a Handy, it supports the muffler. See? But then again, I have no more gels, but this still works. Muffler moisturizer. And it supports my hop up. So it's now 4 units that supports this one. See here, okay, pretty nice. Nice. FPS is around 120 to 130 PS. Again, kids blaster, so don't expect much. I really like this manual method. Range. If you don't have the hop up, it has a difficulty reaching the not 10 meters. Yes, my 10-meter range, you have to angle it here for it to reach. But if you put the hop up, the gels will glide up. So it's quite nice. Price? I think this is one of the best features of this one. This is right now it's less than 1,000 pesos at Hydro Blasters MNL. It's 850 if I'm not mistaken. So, extremely cheap. It's a good gift for your child or a friend of your friend or a child of your friend. It's nice. What else to say? Oh, I forgot. That's a wait, pull auto. That's a moving blowback. So that's nice. Anywho, oh, and of course this is a kids blaster. Don't expect upgrades for this one. But it probably is repairable because it's using the what do you call that one? Not the kids blaster format. No. Kids blaster gearbox. So probably there will be parts. And anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching, 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 ching.